Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious shredded beef in Chile Colorado that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing shredded beef in Chile Colorado, these are my ingredients. Of course, a big piece of shredded beef. We're going to need salt, Baileys, garlic cloves, tomatoes, onion, potato, California chili pots, and Chile pasilla pots. This is everything you need. So let's get started. I want to start first cooking the shredded beef. This is going to take much longer to cook, and it's going to take about 2 hours. So the beef is really tender and easy to pull apart. These are the ingredients I am going to add into the beef. Look at this. 1/4 of an onion. I am going to add, of course, 2 Baileys, 4 garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of table salt. Of course, enough water to cover it. We're going to cook it in medium heat for over 2 hours. Let me tell you, you want the beef to be really tender and moist. So we are going to add it to the stove, cover it, and cook it for about 2 hours in medium heat. While that's cooking, we are going to continue getting the rest of the ingredients ready. I have 3 potatoes that I'm going to remove the skin, making sure that I don't leave those little dark spots, and then I am going to cube it. You decide how small or how big you want the pieces of the potato. Medium size is great. Well, I'm going to continue cubing my potatoes, and when I'm done, I am going to add them to a plate, add enough water to cover them completely so that they don't get dark. This part is very important. You really want to make sure that you have all your ingredients ready. So when the beef is tender and moist and easy to pull apart, you have everything ready to go. Let me tell you, this shredded beef with potato and Chile Colorado always comes out so delicious and so amazing. You could add it into burritos, add it just rice, add it on a tostada. You decide how you want to enjoy this amazing recipe. Like I said, you could just add rice, beans, and your shredded beef, or you could even make burritos. And here I am only taking the stems of the chili pods. I have onion, salt, 5 Chile California, 2 Chile pasillas, 5 tomatoes, and 3 potatoes. And now 2 hours have passed. The meat is nice and tender. In the same liquid, I am going to add the chili pods and the tomatoes. While I start shredding the beef with 2 forks. Remember, when the beef is hot, it's very easy to shred. So I'm going to start shredding when the tomatoes are nice and soft and the chili pods are really hydrated. I am going to transfer it into my blender cup. And yes, I am going to add everything that's in the pot into the blender cup. Be very careful. You don't want to burn yourself. And then we are going to blend away. The shredded beef is, look at this, nice and shredded. And now we are ready to start making this amazing shredded beef and potato Chile Colorado. I added to the same pot a little bit of vegetable oil, about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I am going to cook the onion until it starts releasing the aroma and the flavor, and immediately adding the potatoes. Right when you add your potato, you are going to sift the Chile Colorado. Remember, we didn't remove the seeds, so this part is very important. You need to sift it really good, and this is exactly what you don't want in this amazing recipe. Once you add your Chile Colorado, you're going to add the shredded beef, and you're going to cook it for about half an hour in very medium heat. You want the potato to be nice and soft, and you really want the beef to absorb the flavor of the Chile Colorado. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Continue cooking. Like I said, cooking for another 30 minutes. When the potato is soft, al dente, this is ready. I am ready to enjoy. How am I going to enjoy this amazing dish? With tortillas. Yes, this is how I'm going to enjoy it. I hope, my friends, you make it. Like, subscribe, and share. And I am ready to enjoy. Look at this. My home smells amazing. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing shredded beef with potato and Chile Colorado. Of course, I added some tortillas, and I am ready to taste. Look at this. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. The meat is really moist, tender, amazing. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. Mmm. If you liked and loved this amazing shredded beef with potato and Chile Colorado, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you didn't, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing shredded beef with potato and Chile Colorado. See you soon. Bye-bye.